Guys, andito kami ngayon sa Taste of the Philippines. Dito sa Seafood City. Second year namin punta dito. Excited akong kumain ng mga Filipino food. Ang gusto ko dito yung yung mangga at bagoong at yung singkamas sa bagoong na nasa stick, di ba? Parang nasa Pinas ka lang. Yun yung gusto kong kainin. Tapos try natin pakainin si Andre ng babes. Papakainin natin ng balut. Hindi pa nakakatry yan eh. Tignan natin kung papayag. Ha? I know, but he will see the doctor. So, let's see kung kakainin niya. Actually, honestly, hindi pa ako nakakain ng sisiw. Yung pulay-pula lang yung kinakain ko palagi. Merong nagpe-perform. Hindi ko alam kung sino. Nandito na mamaya si Luke Miharis. Makataray tayo. So you have to buy tickets here.
Are you all having fun,
Yeah, but you have to buy a ticket.
guys? Alright, here's another OVS. Jake Velasquez.
Huh? I have.
All the ways of love, only the two of us together flying high. Searching lang po sa ANG Associates. Yes,
meron pala dito dance studio with dance instructor. Nasa AGA lang pala. Yeah, alam ko sa'yo. And guys, I bet you will not regret if you're gonna go enroll with them. They're perfect and amazing. Okay, thank you so much.
Ito yung una-unang gusto ko.
We would like to call the major sponsors. And of course, pag walang patagalin pa, of course,
Sarap ng bagoong.
ANG Associates. Yes!
Ang harap! Parang tatabo.
Alright! Thank you so much, ANG. Thank you, Sir Phil.
Wait.
Hello po! Hi! Hi vlog! Welcome to...
Quick po.
Quick! One order!
Sponsor
One order!
is the Seafood City Supermarket, headed by our very supportive and energetic Sir Romel Gonzalez to give us this message. Guys, a round of applause, please. Sir Romel. Oh. Okay, alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is 2014. 2018 as well as alternate permanent representative of the International Maritime Organization. She also served as first secretary of the Philippine Mission to the United Nations in New York from 2014 and alternate permanent representative of the Philippines to the Homeland Security Council from 2004 to 2005. Ms. Darnell has also served as the director of the Social Cultural Division of the United Nations and other international organizations, special assistant of the Undersecretary for Special and Social Concerns, director for maritime guidance that have been passed down through generations.
Chicken and asal? Is it good?
Is a melting pot of flavors influenced by various cultures, such as Chinese, Spanish, and American, and most recently, of course, we have Japanese and Korean cuisine culture's history and geography.
Masarap.
From the savory adobo, and we all know adobo na kanya-kanyang version yan, ano po? Depende
yung process, of course, of licensing.
Good.
But of course,
Tip.
grabe din. Kasi I was also, you know, a licensed professional teacher back home. So, nung nabasa ko lang siya, I was like, oh, dapat abangan talaga to.
Yes. So nakaka-excited kasi
Marami mag-register.
yes.
May kanin ka ma?
So the first step is to visit the page, official page of our Philippine Consulate General here.
Saan mo na binili kong gulaman mo?
Professionals like teachers,
Yes.
nurses, business, and
Healthcare. Thank you, Ma'am. So maraming salamat po sa pagpunta today and gracing this event. Thank you po and hope we can see you on our next activities. For concerns, huwag po kayo makatubili, magbisita sa opisina ng ating Philippine Consulate General. Ma-accommodate po kayo ng ayos. Huwag po mahiyak na tanong.
Fish ball again.
Yeah, guys. So just visit the page of our event for your last
Ball.
message.
Yes. So in addition dito sa mga malalaking programa namin na ito, mga Inter-Escapade and the Registry of Nurses and hopefully yung registry ng mga other professions.
May mga nagpapamasahe. Nasa Richard.
Okay, so while waiting for our other performances, mag-interview naman tayo ng ating mga guests and visitors for today. Team, are you ready for the games or? Okay, dito muna po tayo. Oh! So mag-i-interview po tayo sa ating kaibigan for today. Is this your first time attending Taste of the Philippines? Ang dami po nating choices for the food team, right? We have the Happy Peeps, Sweet Rice, Pacific at Restaurant, Seafood City. Sorry, hindi ko pakita yung iba.
Grabe, napakadami, Meg.
Super! Maybe call in Tita Evelyn.
Of course, we have Happy Peeps, Sweet Rice. Alam niyo po yung Sweet Rice? Kung kumakain na po kayo ng rice na donut.
I have tried Tita, grabe. I would recommend Sweet Rice.
I would love to try. Sino ang kapatid natin makain? Hi, Tita, how are you today? Perfect. I love the video. Okay. Tita, would you mind to give us the biggest sponsors?
Meron mga nagbebenta ng ticket. Kasi yun ang gagamitin mo para bumili. Yan, sila yung may mga hawak na ganyan. Sila yun yung mga ticket. Yun yung gagamitin mo para bumili ng pagkain. Ito yung ticket nila. It's $1 each to. Ito yung gagamitin mo para bumili ng mga pagkain. So, masasarap naman yung mga pagkain nila. Ito, it's like $4 yung drinks. Mga fishbowl nila, mga $4, ganyan. Banggat bagoong, $4 din. Mga isa, meron mga $3. Dito to sa harap ng ano, sa parking lot ng Seafood City. You should wear that one. You know? Are you sure? That's the thing.
Pasok po, may mga sizes po.
Exciting mga prizes na kapag-discounted ang ating mga candidates. So we
Bang mapani.
Nakita si Momon TV.
Oh, hello.
Hello, pa-picture po.
Shoutout sa inyo.
We're on our way na nag-take out ako ng mangga at bagoong. Diba? Yung mangga nila, matamis siya, pero yung matigas siya, yung matigas sa mangga, hindi siya yung hinog na mangga. Ano ba ito? Kalabaw? Kalabaw ba tawag dun, ha? Indian mango, ganyan. Matigas siya, pero ang tamis, kaya masarap. Tapos yung bagoong niya, yun yung mga bagoong na tinitinda sa kanto. Yun yung lasa, kaya ang sarap. Manamis-namis siya. Yun, aking merienda for today. Kape na kaninang umaga pa. At yung ito, mangga at bagoong sa Taste of the Philippines. Parang maling, parang pangit na combination to, diba? Ano, sana hindi sumakot ang tiyan ko. Alam nyo guys, sobrang sarap ng bagoong na to. Matamis siya. Tapos yung mangga, sobrang sarap. Matigas, pero hindi siya maasim. Ang sarap-sarap niya. Sarap.